Hey guys, so how are we all doing? Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Binance MXC in 3 commas update for the day, day 38 of that update. So if you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, and we will go straight over to those charts. Yeah, I was literally just checking, it was day 38, and it is indeed day 38. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, we got some good movers going on here. KSM, which is quite a large position, finally breaking out of this range and having a nice move up. I say range, breaking these highs and having a nice move up. Also, DOT, you won't really see it on the chart, but was down at $3 and is making it's sub $3 now, making a nice move up. Obviously, we were at what was the equivalent of $4 before this split. 100 to 1 split. So yeah, but today it is making some fantastic gains, looks like it's going to get right back to that fair value, what I think is fair value of $4. What I think happened with this coin is that I was watching it on MXC. Obviously you guys know you can get some issues with drawing some coins in MXC, and with some problems with the coin sometimes. So I think a guy was holding a lot of DOT, was a bit worried about it, so he just wanted to liquidate the position before they did this the split, so we would then obviously not have to worry about getting his 100 tokens for 1 token. So I think that I personally believe that artificially drove the price down to 300 from 400, as you can see down to here. From there, it drove it even down further. So then we drop down to the equivalent of what is $3, which is what was the equivalent of 300. But realistically, I think we should be we should be at 400 if it wasn't for that guy selling. So I was expecting this to go from $3 to $4 basically pretty quickly, and it seems like it may be doing that. So that is good to see. Right. Anyway, so also DOT is now on Binance as well. So all those Binance people can get buying that DOT token now at what was it, $3 a token. So lucky guys if any of them picked that up. So right, let's work this out. So we've got one spot 183. As you can see, this is doing pretty well. Plus our Binance, which is not doing pretty well, which has been the story of the contest so far. It's been the MXC coins that have basically been carrying us. So 1.069 we'll call it, and then if we take away 0.638, which is what we added, we are now up. So we're up 0.614 Bitcoin again. So that is good, because we did get whacked down, and I think the most we got up to was about 0.68. So we are getting back up there. And whilst, don't forget, a lot of these alts have been severely depressed at the moment. They've been pretty hammered, apart from, some of our big winners. But apart from those big winners, a lot of the altcoins, a lot of the other alts are actually big losers. So yeah, so to get back at 0.6 is quite good. So if all the other alts start to get their act together, I think that'll be it. I think pretty quickly we'll be at basically one Bitcoin profit, and then that'll be it. So yeah, so overall that's quite good. I'm quite pleased to see that. Started selling out of some of my Kasama position. Not selling out the DOT yet. So that is our larger position by far now. Obviously we've got Edgeware and Anchor. BZRX a little position, Thorchain a small position, XOR a small position, and Ring. I've been building a big Ring position. Well, trying to build a big Ring position, so we're currently nearly at 2k of that. So yeah, that is it, guys. So day 58 and 0.614 Bitcoin up. So yeah, good to see. Right, so remember, this is not financial advice. We're not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I will speak to you guys later on today.